So while optimizing, need to see lifetime data, date, or daily basis or weekly basis. Now, obviously, you can see the data in the Google Ads interface, and you can select the date range this week, last week, or this month, last month, and so on. But it just gives us a little snapshot. The way we do this in our agency for our clients is we have I know this is a little bit small, but you can create a spreadsheet or a Google Sheet. And the first column has got all the important metrics. So if you're tracking cost, impressions, CTR, conversions, conversion rate, and so on, put them over here. And then each day is a new column. So it goes from 1 to the left and the end of the month, which is the 30th or the 31st, to the right. Every day we put the data in here. Now you can either do it manually, or there are certain plugins and tools which will automate the entry in here. The reason why I prefer this to do manually, because the account manager, when they input the data, they can see what's happening, and it forces them to see whether the conversions have dropped, or the CPC has gone up quite a lot, or any other metric which has gone out of sync. So we can get all these red flags literally instantly just by looking at this spreadsheet. So this is what we do on a daily basis, and you can see that, and each month has got a new tab or a new sheet, and you just keep on updating the sheet and keep a track on all your data. Our customers love it as well. And there are other tools like Google Data Studio as well, which you can use for free, but we prefer to have this daily tracker the way I've just shown you.